Good morning, everybody. Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. So I have my Maxshine 3-inch polisher here, which I love, and it had fallen off of a chair, and it broke this trigger off because there isn't really much of a guard here. So if it hits that perfectly, snapped it off, broke it right there. So they sent me a new one, and they sent me a video, which I'm making a better video because I have to experiment to figure out how to put this trigger on. So I tried a strand that was attached to a power cord that I got from something, but it's too heavy, too firm to slide it out of there once I demonstrate. Then I tried a zip tie, hooked it under there, that worked. This was too firm as well. In the video, it was in Mandarin. This is one of those zip ties, the fabric ones. I just got in a bundle, so it has the different sizes where you can put power cords together and stuff. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in half. As I was saying, the video was in Mandarin, and I was like, what is the guy holding? And so I had my wife translate because my wife is from Taiwan and she can speak Mandarin. I cannot. And it was a shipping strap from a box that he would just, it was a little piece of plastic, and he just basically peeled it off like I just cut this in half, wrapped it through there, and then he pulled it up to put the trigger in and then slid it out. But I don't have that. So I'm looking around trying to figure out what I can use. So I'm going to try this. So let's see if I can get this to loop through there. This might be a little more difficult because I'm not able to feed it in there, I guess you'd say. So let's see what we can do with I don't need those pliers here. I'm gonna pull that trigger up. Got it. Okay, that was easier than I thought. Okay, so what he did was we just slid that through there. You're gonna pull this up so the trigger is in the on position, I believe it is. Could be off. Then all he did was just push down on here until it snapped in. Well, I'm going to try to slide this out. Okay, that's not easy. Nope. So this is not helping here. So basically that trigger, oh, that work? No. That trigger has to be slid up and put there. Obviously that didn't work. So our little quick video there wasn't very helpful. So let me try to do this again. Round 2 with a fabric twist tie. I'm able to loop it through there easily. I'm going to pull this trigger up. Oh, I see. You got to really pull it up. Let's see if we can get this snapped on there. No. Still. Well, I might have done it. Let's get some power here and see how that trigger works. don't remember how the trigger felt before. There we go. There's our fix. So, new and improved English version 2.0. How to fix a Maxshine trigger. Get yourself a fabric twist tie. Cut it in half, loop it through. Pull the trigger to the on position and pull tightly to snap that trigger back down in. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, learn more exciting things, product reviews about auto detailing, products, and how-tos. And if you have any questions, shoot me an email at detailingandtimpy@gmail.com. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.